making a game. Okay, there's square. My player's square. To make it more visible, let's do the background gray. I don't know. Okay, I don't know about that, but it looks good. A bit darker blue. Does it look horrible? I hope not, because we'll be moving to the next. Let's make now a bullet. Let's make art for bullets. Oh, freak. Is a circle bullet because I like squares more. Now let's make enemies. Yeah. Okay, now let's do coding. Okay guys, so I'll be doing the movement. So now we're doing the direction of the player, which the direction of the player will be facing the cursor always. Okay guys, now I'm doing the shooting mechanism. Yeah. After I did the shooting mechanism, there was this wrong thing about the shooting mechanism. Wait, it shoots, right? But when I point direction, it doesn't point the same direction. Okay, there we go. Wanami. Wait. Okay, I think we sort of have a problem here. Okay, so now guys, we're gonna finish it off with the game over sign, and we're gonna finish the enemy mechanism. Okay guys, we are finished with the game, so let's test it. So here's the preview of our game so far. Let's turn it on to full screen. So I'm sure I'll add more things to this, like new guns to pick and new kinds of enemies, and definitely kill counter. For every zombie that I kill, there will be a kill count. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you enjoy. If you like to try this game for yourself, the link is down in the description below. Okay guys, subscribe, like, and share this to Facebook or something, and bye bye.